Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix a Google Chrome error that says net colon colon ERR underscore cert underscore date underscore invalid in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you can do is that you need to check your device's date and time. So please ensure your computer's date and time are set automatically. How we can do that, navigate to your start, make a right click, scroll up and select for settings. At the settings, please proceed here at the left pane, find for time and language, select for date and time, and find for set time zone automatically, turn it on, and set time automatically, turn it on. Once you're done, try to check if the error has been fixed. Yet if not, then let's move on to the next solution, that is to refresh the page. So a simple page refresh can sometimes fix the issue. So try to refresh the page again and check if the error has been resolved. Press Ctrl R, and that way you'd be able to refresh it. However, if not, then let's move on to our next solution, that is to clear your browser's cached and cookies. Make a right click on your Google Chrome. Please click on Open so that you can enter. Expand it first and then proceed to the upper right side of that. You can find three dots. Scroll down, find for settings. And from here, please proceed to the left pane. You can find here the privacy and security. Proceed to privacy and security section. Please proceed to delete browsing data and click for delete data. So please select for delete data and then wait until the procedure would be finished. And once you are good, try to check if the error has been resolved. Yet if not, then let's move on to the next solution, that is to update your browser. So try to update your browser because sometimes if your browser is outdated, that might lead you to an issue. So please ensure that your Chrome is up to date. In your case, if not, then it will automatically update your Chrome the moment you have access to About Chrome. So please wait until the procedure would be finished. Click on Relaunch the moment you have finished the updating process. Okay? Check if the error has been resolved. Yet if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is to check your network or network Wi-Fi. So navigate here with the task manager. You can see your Wi-Fi icon. Please select it and make sure that you are connected to a stable internet. If not, try to connect to another device that is available or accessible to you. If the error has been if the error still persists, then we need to navigate to the next solution, that is to try a different browser. See if the same error occurs in a different browser. So if the error has been resolved the moment you have tried a different browser, then that's good. Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.